There are different paths to reach yoga. One of the most practiced system is called Japa yoga. Japa means repetition or rotation. Japa yoga means union of the self with the highest existence through the rotation of consciousness. In Japa yoga, we use a mantra that is impressed by our mind, that resonates harmoniously with ourself. The word mantra is formed from the union of two words, man and tra. Man means the mind. Tra means to transport, or the vehicle that transport, or that which transcends. So mantra means that which transcends the mind. So the mantra is an instrument of the mind, a powerful sound, a vibration that we can use to enter into a deep state of meditation. A mantra can be a sound, a word, or a group of words, or a grouping of a sound, or sound vibrations, which have an effect on the mental and psychic consciousness. A pure thought from a pure heart can be the most powerful mantra. So we speak a lot about purity. That's important. The highest state of purity is yoga, is illumination. Purification, illumination. When absolutely clean, is illumined. As our physical and mental energy fields become purer, we will start to experience the vibrations of the mantra, even the energy that is transmitted by our thoughts, we will experience physically. So we will learn some important mantras during this rest of the course, so that you can choose the best that resonates with you, with your heart, and use it for your meditation. And the very first mantra that we are going to learn is, of course, Om. Sweet Om. So I will leave a short video about Om. What is Om? How we can use Om. Okay. See you in the next video.